Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute. Soybeans closed lower on Wednesday despite continued harvest delays in some key U.S. growing areas and even snow overnight in parts of the northern Corn Belt and Plains, potentially damaging crops there. At this point, really the issue for beans is supply bearishness, not only because of demand concerns about China, but also expectations for another record crop out of Brazil again this year. And also the outside markets were very bearish on Wednesday with a big drop in the Dow Jones Industrial Average on concerns over rising interest rates. Corn closed lower, expecting better harvest conditions after some more near-term delays, and it'll be less of a factor for corn than for soybeans at this point in terms of quality later on. USDA's next set of supply, demand, and production numbers are out on Thursday. Those won't take into account any recent crop damage or the recent announcement of year-round E15 use. And wheat closed lower, bearish fundamentals continue to be a big factor there. Live and feeder cattle were down, with box beef lower at midday as the trade gets ready for widespread direct cash cattle business. This week's offering at the Fed Cattle Exchange was 1,250 head, none of them sold. And hogs closed lower on a lack of follow-through after a higher start, in addition to the steady to lower cash during the session and demand uncertainties. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.